Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're starting a brand new project, and as you can see on the screen, we'll be building this modern car website using just HTML and CSS. This is part one, and we'll focus completely on the HTML structure. The video might be a bit long, but I'll walk you through each section step by step. Project Overview. This website has 4 main sections, plus some bonus design elements. Let me quickly show you what we'll build today. 1. Navbar includes a brand logo and navigation buttons with smooth scrolling. 2. Homepage features a sleek desert background to make it look cinematic. 3. About section contains a looping video background, giving a modern touch. 4. Models section displays car models with a clean hover effect, revealing their names. 5. Parts section lists car parts with prices and star ratings. 6. Information section gives a bit more info about the car. 7. Footer, a clean, modern footer to wrap things up. Let's get coding. All right, let's dive into the code. I'm using Visual Studio Code as my code editor. Feel free to use any editor you're comfortable with. We're working inside a folder named Website, and I've already added all the resource images. You can find the download link in the description below. Step 1. HTML Setup. Let's create a file named index.html. We'll start with the basic HTML boilerplate. Then, create a second file called style.css and link it inside the head tag of your HTML. We'll also add Bootstrap icons. Go to your browser, search for Bootstrap icons, and copy the CDN link into your head tag. Google Fonts pop-ins. In your resources folder, there's a font.css file. Link that too. That completes our head section. Step 2. Navbar. Now let's begin the body with a nav tag. We'll design our logo first. Set the font size to 6 rem. I'm using Car Brand as the name, but you can use your own. Then we'll add the nav links to scroll across the page. Navbar done. Step 3. Home section. This is where we add the homepage content and background. Desert vibes, clean look. Step 4. About section. Here we'll embed a looping background video. It really gives the site a modern feel. Step 5, Models section. Now things get a little trickier. We're going to display several car models and use hover effects to reveal their names. Be very careful here. Even a small mistake can break the layout. Models section complete. Step 6, Parts section. All right, this is the most complex part of the project. We're going to list spare parts, each with a name, price, star rating. We'll use Bootstrap icons for the stars. Go back to the Bootstrap site and search for star. Open the full half nap and empty star icons in new tabs. Here's how we'll assign ratings using icons. Part 3, 4 full, 1 empty. Part 1, 4 full stars, 1 empty. Part 2, 3 full, 2 empty. Parts 4 and 5, 5 full stars. Part 6, 3 full, 2 empty. No need for the half star this time. Step 7, Info section. This one's simple, just some text or facts about the featured car. Step 8. Footer. The footer is split into two parts, super clean and modern. HTML done. Now, if we open index.html in our browser, the layout is there, but it's still raw and unstyled. In part 2, we'll dive into the CSS and completely transform this into a stunning, modern website. If you'd like the source code for this project, just drop your Instagram ID in the comments, and I'll personally send it to your account. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next part. Till then, take care and happy coding.